Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. But before I get into this video, check this out. Hi everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Google Pixel 9 Pro. In today's video, I'll be reviewing these impossibly thin phone case from LaterCase. I have tried LaterCases out before for different devices, and I wanted to try out one for the Google Pixel 9 Pro. They was actually nice enough to send it out to me for review. If you look in the description, I will have the links. That way you can pick it up. Go support their case company. Like we normally do in the reviews, we'll make sure everything lines up. Can you wireless charge? Also, how much protection you get. Do you get camera protection? Do you get lip protection? The overall fit of the case. Just the normal things you look for in a case video. But, you know, LaterCase there. I like the packaging. If y'all want to pause that, y'all can definitely do so. So this case is very thin. It's a thin case. Look how it opens too. Fancy. So it is a thin case. I call these cases like having a skin on your phone. But, bam. Look at the camera cutout too. It's going to protect the whole back there. It has an opening. Let's see. You heard that snap? So this is probably one of the best camera protection things out there. It covers up except for the lenses and the flash. So again, you don't get really any lip action for the display. You have to have a screen protector on there. The power button and the volume rockers are open. Same thing with the bottom down here. Bam. But I do like that camera color. Same thing at the top too. This side is the only side that's closed in. But it feels like you don't have a case. I mean, it's so thin. It feels like you don't have a case on it. Look at it. You can tell that it doesn't have that much bulk. I mean, it doesn't have none. I mean, it's pretty much like a skin on your phone. It comes in different colors. Like I said, we'll have the links there. The overall fit is going to be good because it is snug. It's going to take some work to even get this off out of the, yeah. So, yes, it fits really good. I like the grip that you get with it too. You have a lot of grip on the sides. I just like how these Kevlar cases, carbon fiber cases look on these phones now. These thin cases are becoming some of my favorite cases. Does it have MagSafe? Does not have MagSafe, which is okay. I'm not a big MagSafe fan. But can you wireless charge? Yes, you can wireless charge without any issues, as you can tell there. My screen is bright too, by the way. So you can wireless charge. Does not have MagSafe. If you need a MagSafe case, then don't pick this one up. But a lot of Android users don't use MagSafe, so man. I'm definitely going to be trying to rock LaterCases more too. Like I said, I like these very minimalistic cases here. But if you want to pick it up, look in the description. I will have the links there. You can definitely pick it up. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.